Hello everyone, this is a special Labor Day edition. I am posting this Labor Day video a little early to have time to try out or practice this nail art. Today I will be creating a 3D butterfly from gel. If you try out my design, please send me a picture and I might feature it in my next video. Let's get into it. Pictured here are the needed materials, but for more information, please look at the description box below for the links. Step 1. Draw a butterfly outlined with a pen on a small piece of wax paper. The size depends on which nail you will put it on. Step 2. With hard gel and a gel brush, apply some on top of the wings of the drawn butterfly and cure in a UV lamp for approximately 30 seconds or whatever the container says. Wipe off the stickiness with a lint-free pad and some rubbing alcohol. You may repeat this process again to make the wings a little thicker. It depends on your preference. I decided to do that. Step 3. So I started off with painting the top part of the wings of the butterfly with navy blue gel polish. I recommend using some sort of palette so that you can place the blobs of polish on. It will not ruin your design if you paint outside of the clear hard gel. Then, paint the bottom halves with alternating white and red stripes like so with a thin brush. Step 4. Add some really small white stars on the blue part and put a no-wipe gel top coat and cure. Step 5. Now we have the wings, but we need the body. The wings will come off of the wax paper easily, and put some hard gel on the circle head and the thin oval body that you drew. I cured again and wiped with alcohol. Again, you can add more gel and cure again if you would like the body to be thicker. Also, I painted with black gel polish and added some hard gel on top. Step 6. Now before I cure this, I add 2 really thin black fiber strings and I put something for them to lean against it so I can cure the antennas for a 3D look. You can use tweezers if you'd like. Cure and wipe. It's okay if you can't wipe all of it, especially near the antennas. Step 7. You can put some hard gel on the oval body and attach the wings with something they can lean on and cure. Try to make them as symmetrical as possible. I'd say this is the most tricky part of this butterfly, so please use tweezers to help you hold the tiny wings. The last step is to wipe and then add a no-wipe gel top coat and cure for one last time to seal in the design and admire your masterpiece. I have done these nails with gel, but it can also be done with acrylic. To me, the gel product just seems a little easier to work with. This is the simplest way to create a customizable 3D butterfly for any flag of any country. This is an example of the Lebanese flag on a butterfly. Please comment, like, subscribe, and share this video if you learned something. If you try out this design, then please send me a picture. I'd love to see them. Thanks for watching!